Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, medications, or health routine. Sports drinks are everywhere, from gyms to grocery stores, and many people reach for them to stay hydrated. But are drinks like Gatorade actually good for you? Or are they just loaded with sugar? While they're designed to support hydration and performance, they may not be necessary for everyone. So when should you drink sports drinks? And when should you skip them? Let's take a closer look at the benefits, the downsides, and what you should know. 1. What are sports drinks? Sports drinks are beverages designed to help replenish fluids, electrolytes, and energy. They typically contain water, electrolytes like sodium and potassium, and carbohydrates in the form of sugar. These ingredients are meant to support hydration during physical activity. 2. Helps replace electrolytes. When you sweat, your body loses electrolytes. Electrolytes help regulate muscle function, hydration, and nerve signaling. Sports drinks can help replace these lost electrolytes, especially during intense activity. 3. Supports endurance during long workouts. Sports drinks may be beneficial during prolonged exercise. Activities lasting longer than about 60 minutes may require additional fluids and energy. The carbohydrates in sports drinks can help maintain energy levels during endurance activities. 4. Useful in hot or humid conditions. In hot climates or during heavy sweating, your body loses more fluids and electrolytes. Sports drinks may help maintain hydration and support performance in these conditions. 5. May help during illness. In some cases, sports drinks may help with hydration during illness. When experiencing vomiting or diarrhea, they can help replenish fluids and electrolytes. However, they may still contain added sugars, so moderation is important. 6. High sugar content. One of the biggest concerns with sports drinks is their sugar content. Many contain significant amounts of added sugar, which can contribute to excess calorie intake. For individuals who are not highly active, this may outweigh the benefits. 7. Not necessary for most people. For everyday hydration, water is usually the best choice. If you're engaging in light activity or daily routines, sports drinks are often not needed. 8. Potential impact on dental health. Sports drinks can be acidic and contain sugar. Over time, frequent consumption may contribute to tooth enamel wear and dental issues. 9. Better everyday alternatives. For most people, simple hydration strategies are effective. These may include water, coconut water, eating fruits and vegetables with high water content. A balanced diet can help provide electrolytes naturally. 10. When to use sports drinks. Sports drinks may be helpful if you're exercising intensely for extended periods, you're sweating heavily in hot conditions, you need to quickly replenish electrolytes. Outside of these situations, water is often sufficient. Sports drinks can be useful tools for hydration and performance, but they're not necessary for everyone. For most daily activities, water and a balanced diet are enough to support your body's needs. Understanding when to use them and when to skip them can help you make better choices for your health. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video helped you better understand sports drinks and hydration, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who reaches for sports drinks regularly. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.